Every year it gets a little dustier.
Every year it means a little more to this family, though.
Are you scared of that dusty old thing?
No. I just don't even remember him.
Bet you light it wrong and it goes out.
It won't. Watch.
You don't have to remember everything. Just remember one small thing.
Okay. Fine. Let's just get this over with. It's just an old lamp. Not a big deal. Okay. Where are the matches? Let's just do this. Take a moment before you light it, sweetheart. Yeah, I will. There. Done. Finally. That wasn't so bad. Now I can go. Did it work?
Of course it did.
Tats. Bounty tats, we caught say, not normal. Lanterns don't do that. Whoa! Wait! What's happening? Mom? Ethan's not moving.
He's probably just daydreaming.
Where? Am I? This isn't the altar room. Hello? Is anyone here? Grandpa? It's so dim. It wasn't this dim before.
The light's so faint this year. Find where it's going, Ethan.
This way. The light's leading somewhere. I have to find it. Someone's taking it. But who would do that? Mom, the light's getting really weak.
Let's go check on him.
You're stealing it! You're stealing Grandpa's light!
I didn't mean.
Nobody remembers my name anymore. I just didn't want to forget how to shine.
You're not stealing it to be mean. You're just forgotten. Don't look at me like that! Wait! I didn't mean it like that! Wait, please! I just want to talk! I can barely see anything now. Keep going.
Ethan, honey, can you hear me?
The flame's almost gone.
Is he going to be okay? Are you sure he can hear us?
We just have to wait for him to come back.
Hey. I'm not gonna yell at you. You're not? What's your name? Wisp. Nobody's asked in a long time.
I used to have my own lantern, once. A long, long time ago, before everyone started to forget.
Just a little longer, come on.
Come back to us, Ethan.
It's almost gone. I'm scared too.
Then let's be quick. Come home with me. You mean that?
I mean it too. That's really kind. Thank you.
Let's go find Grandpa together.
There you are. I knew you'd figure it out.
I brought a friend.
A new friend deserves a proper welcome. Family remembered family.
Mother always did have manners.
Next year, I'll light a lantern for you too, Wisp. I promise.
I'll remember that. Always.
Go on home now. We'll be right here together.
I'll remember you. I promise. There you are. Are you okay? I'm okay. I'm home. You scared me. Don't do that again.
Welcome back, buddy. That was a kind thing you did.
I remember you now, Grandpa. And I promise I won't forget Wisp either. 2 lanterns for our family this year? One's for a friend who needed remembering too.
That's really kind, Ethan.
Remembering together is better anyway.